14714. Room tour on the Norwegian Bliss. There you go, not too bad. We got the bed down because we got my ground here. And then we have mirrors, you got like a desk area here. And we have outlets. And a mini fridge. Oh, wait, it's not a mini fridge. It's a stool. A stool slash table. Whatever you want it to be. Mini fridge is on this side. Under here. Oh, looks like they put some water in there. For a fee, I'm sure. And then got our bed, TV, bed. No outlets on the side. Wait a minute, are there? There are USB outlets, it looks like, on both sides of the bed. USB, regular USB. Now USB-C, light switches, and then we have our balcony here, okay? Let's open it up. Take a look outside. Oh, there we go. It's our balcony. We are still in Seattle. We haven't sailed away yet. Room's just opened up. Beautiful, beautiful city. My city. All right, go back in. Close this door so it's not so loud. And of course, we ordered a bunch of waters for the room. Got us dehydrated. There's a little closet over here. It's kind of in an interesting area, hard to kind of get to with that bed in the way. Little closet, and then we have the restroom. Okay, here's the head. Not too bad. You got it's actually not too bad size-wise. Pretty good. Let's see about the shower. Oh yeah, there's plenty of space in there. Plenty of space in the shower. Look at that real. Oh, these cups are these light fixtures? I don't know. I don't know what that's supposed to be. I don't know. We're supposed to put a candle in there. I'm not sure. Oh, all right, it is cups. I'm supposed to pop them out. That's pretty. That's pretty cool. Interesting. That's the tour. 14714 Norwegian Bliss on our way to Alaska.